Have you ever noticed that some old trucks possess a kind of presence that no modern machine, no matter how advanced, can ever recreate? It doesn't matter how many touchscreens, cameras, sensors, or computerized systems today's trucks are packed with. There are certain qualities that technology simply cannot manufacture. Imagine standing beside a lonely American highway as the sun disappears beyond the horizon. The silence is suddenly shattered by the unmistakable thunder of a massive V8 engine. The deep mechanical rumble echoes across the landscape, while the scent of diesel fuel, grease, hot steel, and countless miles traveled fills the air. Ahead stretches a long chrome hood, gleaming beneath the moonlight like an extension of the driver's own spirit. It's more than transportation. It's freedom. It's character. It's a machine with a heartbeat. Have you ever wondered why these legendary trucks continue to capture the hearts of drivers and collectors decades after they first rolled off the production line? Today, we're taking a journey back through the golden age of American trucking to rediscover 10 legendary giants that didn't just haul freight. They built an industry, shaped a culture, and earned a reputation that many modern trucks still struggle to match. Whether it's their unmatched durability, brute strength, timeless styling, or the undeniable soul that lives within every bolt and rivet, these classic machines remain symbols of everything trucking was meant to be. So buckle up and get ready for a ride fueled by nostalgia, horsepower, and unforgettable history. Because the truck waiting at the very top of this countdown is so iconic that passionate collectors willingly spend small fortunes just for the chance to own one. Let's fire up those engines and hit the road. We begin with the unforgettable white Freightliner, a truck born during the rugged 1950s through an extraordinary partnership between Freightliner Trucks and the legendary White Motor Company, two American manufacturing powerhouses determined to build machines capable of surviving the toughest jobs imaginable. This was an era when trucks weren't designed around software updates or electronic diagnostics. They were engineered with one simple philosophy: make them strong enough to work, simple enough to repair, and reliable enough to keep moving no matter what the road threw at them. There were no touchscreens, no warning lights demanding dealership visits, and certainly no computer systems capable of leaving a hardworking driver stranded hundreds of miles from home. It was just the truck, the driver, and endless miles of open highway. One of the white Freightliner's most recognizable features was its revolutionary cab-over-engine layout, commonly known at the time as the flat-nose design. By positioning the cab directly above the engine, engineers dramatically reduced the truck's overall length, allowing drivers to comply with strict highway regulations while also making it much easier to maneuver through crowded cities, tight loading docks, and narrow industrial yards. It wasn't just an eye-catching design. It was a practical solution that transformed commercial transportation. Beneath the cab lived one of America's most dependable power plants, a legendary Detroit diesel inline-six engine displacing roughly 12 liters and producing around 230 horsepower. While those numbers may seem modest by today's standards, horsepower alone never told the whole story. The real magic came from the enormous reserves of low-end torque that allowed this truck to drag fully loaded trailers over punishing mountain grades without hesitation. Every press of the accelerator unleashed a deep mechanical growl that sounded honest, hardworking, and alive. It wasn't filtered through insulation or artificial sound systems. It was pure machinery speaking its own language, a language every experienced truck driver instantly understood. Supporting all that muscle was an incredibly rugged heavy-duty leaf spring suspension paired with dual rear axles engineered to distribute massive loads with remarkable stability. Comfort wasn't the priority here. Survival was. Every component was built to endure years of punishment over rough highways, gravel roads, construction sites, and endless cross-country routes. Visually, the white Freightliner embraced functionality over flash. Its square body panels, solid steel front end, large round headlights, sturdy bumper, and unmistakably boxy appearance gave it a purposeful look that said everything without saying a word. Inside the cab, luxury was practically non-existent, yet there was something strangely comforting about its simplicity. The spacious interior provided just enough room for drivers who often spent days or even weeks living inside their trucks. The smell of diesel fuel mixed with grease, worn leather, hot metal, and road dust became more than an odor. It became the unmistakable scent of life, on the open highway.